On September 3rd, the Parliamentary Assembly of the Council of Europe issued a written declaration signed by PASE members expressing alarm at the ruling party's apparent preparations to steal the 26 October parliamentary elections. The declaration states there are alarming reports coming from Georgia which seem to indicate that the ruling party is preparing to steal the upcoming parliamentary elections. The declaration points at concrete reports that substantiate these apprehensions, such as a massive intimidation campaign against opposition candidates and their supporters whose premises are looted and whose families are threatened with apparent impunity. The PACE members also note that there have also been physical attacks against opposition activists. The signatories stress that the voters are subjected to intimidation by disseminating false information, putting into question the secrecy of the vote. The government will know how you voted and there will be consequences, PASE declaration reads. The declaration also notes that many national election observation groups are being prevented from doing their jobs by abusing anti-corruption legislation even before the so-called foreign agents law enters into force. The Central Election Commission, the PASE signatories note, has recently been brought under the control of the ruling party, noting that such actions have created a pre-electoral environment in which it is very difficult to hold free and fair elections. The declaration further stresses that in order to achieve international recognition of the election result, the authorities should stop acting in an anti-democratic way and reverse their course. The declaration stresses the crucial role of the international observers, including from PASE, to allow the people of Georgia to determine their future freely.
The Checkpoints is presented by pharmaceutical company GM Pharma.